Would you replace your TV with a projector?
Yes, definitely. It's better for the eyes.
Each year, portable projectors get closer and closer to delivering a true TV-like experience. We now get 4K image quality, vibrant colors, not to mention, we can actually move these from room to room, all with the flexibility of getting a screen of upwards of 200 inches. That's something you're definitely not getting on your standard TV, especially at this price point. But where projectors typically have still struggled up to this point is with brightness and gaming performance, especially when we're talking about form factors like this. And that's exactly where the XGIMI Horizon 20 series is trying to change things. For the first time in an XGIMI home projector, you're getting lens shift. This lets you move the image up, down, left, or right, vertically by 120% or horizontally by 45%, all without touching the projector and without losing sharpness or distorting the image. That's typically a feature you only see on projectors that cost $4,000 and up. What's the big benefit? You've got more flexibility in how you set up the screen. If your space is tighter or you don't want the projector perfectly centered in your room, this tech makes that possible. So that brings us to the 3 new models in the Horizon 20 lineup. The main difference between them is brightness. The Horizon 20 offers 3200 ISO lumens, the Horizon 20 Pro jumps to 4100, and the 20 Max a whopping 5700 lumens. XGIMI is also debuting its new X-Master RGB triple laser engine, which promises improved sharpness, contrast, and saturation. You're getting IMAX Enhanced, Dolby Vision, and HDR10 Plus support with a claimed 20,000:1 contrast ratio. The image can be pushed up to 300 inches, which, let's be real, is probably bigger than most walls in your home. Still, XGIMI recommends staying under 200 inches if you want the sharpest and brightest results. But what excites me most is gaming, so let me show you what's new. The Horizon 20 series finally tackles latency and refresh rates. Latency is down to just 1 millisecond at 1080p 240Hz and 3 milliseconds at 4K 60Hz. Plus, we have VRR, variable refresh rate, which supports smoother gameplay. We still don't have 4K 120 yet, but we're getting closer. On top of that, you're getting XGIMI's latest auto keystone and autofocus features, which automatically adjust your picture to avoid objects on your wall and give you the largest uninterrupted image possible. XGIMI has always been really reliable at pulling this off, and I'm curious to test how well it holds up with this latest generation once we get our review unit in hands. Ports include optical audio, USB 3.1, USB 2.0, 2 full-size HDMI, one supporting eARC, and a 3.5mm audio output jack. Just like their recent releases, the Horizon 20 series runs Google TV out of the box. That means native Netflix support without sideloading. Plus, you get all the benefits of hands-free voice control through Google Home integration, which is awesome. Pricing starts at $1,700 for the base Horizon 20 and goes to $3,000 for the Horizon 20 Max. Which one makes sense for you comes down to your budget and how bright your room is. The Horizon 20 Max obviously is going to give you the most flexibility if you want to be able to move this from room to room and still get the most vibrant picture during the day. If you pre-order before October 14th, you can save up to $750 where they're including the base stand as well as a copy of Assassin's Creed Shadows. So, do you think you're ready to replace your traditional TV with a projector like this that gives you brighter picture quality and improved gaming performance? Not to mention you're still getting that massive screen. Let me know your thoughts in the comments and stay tuned for a full review when that drops. And until the next one, I'll catch you later.